Hello, good morning. This is Architect Joshua. And today, meron lang akong papaliwanag na konti about our services dito sa Salvidar Construction. So, dito sa company namin, meron kaming 5 services na ino-offer. Number 1 is yung complete working drawings for bank loans or building permit purposes. It was all signed and sealed by our professionals. Ang number 1 natin is, ito yung paggawa namin ng complete working drawings. Ano ba yung complete working drawings? Complete working drawings is composing ng architectural plans, structural plans, plumbing plans, and electrical plans. So in this company, we are in DAEDS. So we have our allied professionals, which is the structural engineer, master plumber, electrical engineer. Sa mga ibang mga project is na kailangan is meron din kaming mechanical engineer, and of course the architect. So yun yung composing kami ng different professionals na kinoconsult namin sa bawat plano na ginagawa namin para sa inyo. And then meron din kasama yan na bill of materials and specifications. So malalaman na rin natin doon kung magkano ba yung aabutin ng ating bahay or structure na gagawin, and na-specify na rin namin kung ano yung mga dapat gamitin na mga materyales. Doon sa service na yon is tinatawag din namin yung regular design service or yung first step sa paggawa ng mga structure natin is either bahay pa yan or commercial siya. The second of our service is kung ang gagawin lang natin is bill of materials and specifications lang. Meron kasi mga client na may bit-bit na plano or napagawa na sa ibang mga architects or engineers yung kanilang plan, and gusto lang nila na mag-quote kami sa kanila. So, meron din kaming service dito na bill of materials and specifications. Sa inyo nga, as magbibigay kami ng quotation sa client based dun sa hawak nilang plano or sasali kami sa mga bidding. So, yun yung tamang term dun. So, pangatlo is renovation, construction of structures. Yan nga yung design and build. So, sa design and build, kami gagawa ng plano nyo and kami rin yung mag-construct. So, yun yung number 3, yung pinaka-common. Number 4 is supervision. Sa supervision naman, sa inyo yung manpower or kukuha kayo ng another contractor to build your house. Then, kukunin nyo yung service namin as an architect to supervise the project. So, ito rin yung tinatawag na architect in charge of construction. Pag kinuha nyo yung service namin as supervising architect sa project nyo, is kami yung mag-supervise kung tama pa ba yung ginagawa ng foreman or ng contractor based dun sa planong ginawa sa inyo or ginawa namin sa inyo. So, i-check namin kung tama yung bakal na ginamit, kung align pa ba siya. Check namin kung tama yung sukat nung structure na nagawa, tama yung pagkaka-layout, and lahat nung nasa plano is i-check namin kung nasusunod pa ba siya sa site. For example, meron tayong supervision, pag nakita namin may mali, is i-alarm na agad namin si client. Para si client naman yung magsasabi doon sa kanyang contractor na merong discrepancy doon sa plan and doon sa ginagawa actual. So, ang pang-5 sa mga services na ino-offer namin is labor-only contract. In the labor-only contract is kami lang yung po-provide ng labor at kayo yung magpo-provide nung meron kayong supervising architect or engineer na titingin doon sa trabaho. So, vice versa lang yan. Kung yung number 4, supervision, iba yung contractor. Sa number 5, kami naman yung contractor. Pero labor-only lang. Kami lang yung gagawa ng bahay. All in all, meron tayong 5 services dito sa ating company. Kung gusto nyo i-avail yung service namin, PM lang dito sa page. Magre-reply agad sa inyo. Pero, hindi pa po kami pwedeng gumawa or hindi pa po kami tumatanggap ng services outside the Nueva Ecija for the design build. Pero, kung ang i-avail nyo sa aming service is the design, complete plans, is kikater kami. So, just PM us and we will be very happy to help build your dream house. Thank you.